What's up, guys?
Hello.
Well, it's 2019.
I can't believe we made it.
Yeah. With all the trips and the weather being total disaster.
I know.
Like, even though it's freezing rain outside, we're here, and it's first time me ice fishing in Canada.
You've never ice fished in Canada?
No.
Well,
Never.
welcome, my friend.
And never fished with this kind of level of comfort. I mean, we have it's like a stove, we have
Gas-powered auger.
everything. I mean, it's like I could live here. I mean, some people would probably love to live here.
They do, and in a lot of cases, they sleep overnight. They have huts designed so that you can cook your food, sleep, fish.
It's like a vacation.
And never leave the ice.
For some people, it's like a vacation.
It is.
Yes.
I'm going to suggest, just because a lot of the walleye that we're catching, Ross, we're seeing a lot of nymph inside their bellies, inside their mouths. So I'm going to suggest, and now this is a Big Sky flying jig. Beautiful color on that jig. It's nice and small, and you don't need a very big presentation this time of year. You can, but it's your own preference. I like a little bit smaller presentation. You just thread it on like so, and that, I'm hoping it's going to catch you your first walleye through the ice.
So that thing is called Larva Lux or Deluxe or something.
Yep.
That's a prototype. We didn't really start selling it or making it. It's just basically it will be first time walleye or any fish sees this model.
Looks mint to me.
Let's see what it can do.
Let's do it.
Fish on.
Oh, nicely done.
Fine.
There you go. Nicely done, Ross.
Jigging, and
Yeah, baby.
oh my!
Nice fish. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And that is on. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
And as I said to you, that will be a very productive color
Yep.
and presentation because that's what you see their mouths full of. Yeah, baby.
I'm happy. I am happy.
There you go.
Beautiful walleye. First walleye
Through the ice.
through the ice. Well, in my life, because it's walleye.
That's awesome, Ross. That is absolutely
Oh
awesome.
my gosh. Mwah. Beautiful. Awesome.
Looks pretty good. Nice. Nice little Walter. Oh, and I have your line as well.
Oh. That's cool.
With the live bait sticking out of its mouth.
Perfect. Okay, guys, so the fish is caught.
Yeah.
The one and only walleye of the day. Maybe we'll catch some more later, but for now, that's the thing. And I'm super happy that I got it on soft plastic on a dagger. And it's surprisingly for us that they don't bite. Live minnows.
As I said, we've got live minnows. We got a good spread of live bait, and they went after the dagger.
So now time for announcement for those who live in Toronto area who are planning to visit the Fishing and Boat Show in Mississauga. So me and Scottie, we talked about what something special we can offer to you, and so basically go to the show. It's going to be amazing. Every year it's amazing. Tons of prizes, tons of new companies, tons of companies in general, and go visit the CFN booth there. Subscribe for their newsletter. Just give them your email. And get a chance to win our Fanatik Tackle Value Pack, not just the regular one, the champion one. So basically, you will get about $120 worth of tackle in a box, and that will most likely supply you with baits for the entire year, or at least half the season.
That's incredible.
Yeah, and feel free to come say hi to Fanatik booth. We'll be more than happy to show you our product and We'll have some special offers for those who show us the video. I mean, it's a great place to visit, spend time. It's 4 days. It's basically what, February 16th,
16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. So it's the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Yeah, so 4 days. That you have time. Go come with kids. I mean, it's an awesome place to spend the weekend at.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah.
Hope to see you there.
Yep. See you there, and well, we'll try to catch a couple of more before the end of the day.
There you go.
Take care, guys.
Right there. There we go. Awesome. Clamp down on that. Nice. Great big fish. Big or small, you never know.
Exactly, especially when it's like that. Not bad. It's
Not at all.
bigger than the.
Nice fish.
Awesome.
Little frosty walleye.